welcome to the Techy Roque, and in this video I will show some the apps that can make music for you. The best app. I'm talking about the best app that I ever use. So in the Play Store, just search for Music Maker Jam. So here are some another apps, but this is the best according to me. You can make your music, tunes, that all you want, and you can record your voice and put in it and mix your voice with the music. And BandLab is another app that is also good. I also install and I use it, but I think Music Maker Jam is best. It's 82 MB of size. So let's see the interface of this app. I use it for free. These are my songs that I made. And this is the feature that you can make your own music. Make your own tune, rhythm that you want.
What you want? There's only one. In my mind, there's a way.
These are the sliders of
What you
every
want?
tune's volume. You can control on your own.
Wrong as ever. Hey.
Now we are here to make some music, to rock and roll. Here we are getting started. Put any audio in it or put any music in it, and you can create slides as many as you want, and you can rename it for your longer music. And by tapping it, these are the beats that you can use it in your music. Like listen here. Okay, all beats are amazing. You can use on your own and make your song, your music. A very interesting app is this. And let's create. Listen the music. I created. And in the bottom there's a record button. You can record it, your music, and by recording you can control your volume of any beat. Nice. Now this is a music maker jam. So now thanks for watching.